Hello, today we are making a frozen smoothie with several colorful layers. For the first layer, we need frozen blueberries. Mix them with a bit of water until you get a smooth texture. Place the mixture in a separate bowl. You can actually serve it as is, instant blueberry sorbet. Next, we blend frozen kiwi slices with some water. Place the mixture in a separate bowl. For the third layer, we need frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries, and a bit of water. Blend until smooth. Place the mixture in a separate bowl. Now we will mix frozen orange slices, frozen raspberries, and frozen banana pieces. Of course, a bit of water, and blend. Place in a separate bowl. Finally, we blend frozen pineapple pieces with water. By the way, you can serve all these as instant sorbets or make the colorful frozen smoothie. Place the different layers on top of each other in a tall glass. Freeze for 10 to 15 minutes before serving and watch your friends and family melt when tasting it. Bon appétit!